Bubble's a little upset right now. There is no action. Waiting for him later. Oh! I did it on my learn friend. Ah! Hi guys, welcome back. Get some light in here. Okay, it is a brand new day today and I'm hungry now, so it's time for food. So I have in here, you can't really see, a banana, 2 eggs. I'm just gonna mush this up together. I don't know what it is, but I've been actually craving almond flour pancakes. Very specific, I know. I don't know why. I just have. I used to make them all the time when I lived here with my boyfriend. Now that I don't live here, I don't really make them as much because I still need to buy pots and pans for my place. I know I'm late to the game. I remembered, I'm like, hey, I think I left that almond flour over there. Add flour, almond flour. These are looking perfect. And this man does not have any fresh fruit in this household. So what I am gonna do, he has frozen berries that I got a while ago. I'm just going to like add those in here. Some strawberries. Now what I'm going to do now that I have the berries, I'm gonna cook them up. Okay, and he does have some sliced almonds, so I'm gonna add some in there. This is how it looks. Oh, I almost dropped it. Literally smells like pie, like blueberry pie. Okay, while I'm waiting for my fruit to kind of like melt, I wanted to make a coconut milk latte. I actually have here real coconut milk. I was like, I can use this for my coconut milk. Like, I just love coconut. Oh yeah, baby. It's thick, it's coconutty, it's everything. Look at that. I like to add some organic cane sugar, just a little bit for sweetness. I've been loving to cook with ghee because I'm new to the ghee game. It smells like buttered popcorn. Oh, it's so good. I have been loving it, so we're gonna use ghee today. Try these out. Can't recommend something if it's not good. Taking a big bite. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy these. Sorry for talking with my mouth full, but I'll give them a try. Let me know if you do. Hello. Happy Valentine's Day. We just had our dinner. It was a very delicious steak that Pablo made for us and some rice and chicken. We loaded up on protein. But yeah, today is Valentine's Day. I am dressed for the occasion in pink. This pink cardigan from Pretty Little Thing. Pablo's a little upset right now because I'm on my dot and there is no action. Waiting for him later. I'm just kidding, maybe. But I just wanted to show you guys, look at how cute. We bought a sewing machine, so an embroidery machine, sorry. Combo, right? It's a combo. And look at what Pablo made me. This Nike sweater. He literally embroidered all of this. It's like a smart machine. So you just input the picture that you want it to do and it'll do it for you. And look, it's a little bear with flowers because he's Bear. That's like our nicknames. He's Bear. And he was like, he's giving you the flowers, but he also got me flowers. And he said he tried matching the bear's flowers to these. How freaking cute. And what I ended up getting him, that's kind of like for both of us to share. It's a heart-shaped container with chocolate-covered strawberries in them. They're really good. And we're also making some hot chocolate. Ooh, this is perfect. It's ready to be served. And it is the Abuelita hot chocolate. If you are Hispanic, you would probably know a lot about this. It is delicious. It's like rainy and cold today. Like I said, I'm on my dot. So something warm sounds really nice. So we're just gonna have this while we watch some movies. And it's also my best friend Janessa's birthday. So shout out to you, Janessa, if you're watching. Go wish her a happy birthday. Her birthday, yes, it's on Valentine's Day. Hi, welcome. It is a different day today and I'm a very sick gal and that's why my voice sounds like this. I just got out of the shower. I cannot stand the lighting in here. I am so sorry, but I can't do anything about it. I don't know what's going around, but it's very intense. I don't think I've ever been this sick, so that sucks. So I'm taking some meds right now. This is gonna knock me out. I wanted to do some self-care, skincare, because honestly these past 2 days have been so depressing. The weather's really shitty. I've literally just been sleeping all day, although I do believe that the sleeping all day has helped me recover so much quicker. My voice is so raspy because I've been having a lot of mucus. It's nasty. Let's not talk about it. I wanted to do some laser IPL on my face because a girl has sideburns, but I shaved them off with the little like eyebrow razor. I have a lot of facial hair. I don't really care for it. So until I am rich and YouTube famous to where I can afford an actual professional place, I will be doing my IPL at home. It's just very time consuming and I'm a very impatient person, but good things take time, right? So I can breathe. Vapor inhaler. These are great. I use the Kenzie. I did it on my armpits, on my legs, on my... You have to stick to the 12 weeks of doing it or else your hair is gonna grow back as if it, you know, you never did it and it's like time wasted, honestly. So don't be a fool and don't be like me. It's literally so easy and not as painful as professional laser. I've done professional laser down there on my pits and girl, let me just tell you, I don't like to think that I have a low pain tolerance, but maybe I do. I don't know, it's just really painful. So there is a button right here which turns it on and then you click on that same button depending on what level you want of like laser. So this is level 1. I don't feel anything, so I always go up to level 5. Yep, so that's the highest level and now we're gonna do it on the highest level. This is the button you click on. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's not rocket science. Let's just go right here. Did you guys see that little like smoke? Oh! It's because I have actual little hairs right here. Peach fuzz. You're supposed to shave before doing this. You only feel a little bit of warmth. That's it, like just warm. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some skincare. What I'm gonna do is put on some serum. So as you can see, I have these like 2 blemishes. It's because I actually picked these. Do not pick your face. I've not been picking my face for a really long time. I never regret it. What I've been using for dark spots lately, I just got this Dermalogica Power Bright Dark Spot Serum. I've wanted to try Dermalogica for the longest time, so I finally got my hands on a product. I really like it so far. I feel like it's actually been working. You guys know this is my go-to for dark spots. Another thing I just bought also, which I'm gonna put on right now because it's very, very moisturizing. I'm 25 years old, but I really don't have a lot of wrinkles on my face. I love taking care of my skin, but there's nothing wrong with preventative precautions. You know what I'm saying? So my amazing boyfriend actually got it for me because, you know, he treats me like a princess. IS Clinical. I heard it's good. Word of mouth just goes around like crazy, as you can see, because this little baby right here, it even comes with a little spatula that I don't really use. Very moisturizing, and that's basically what wrinkles is all about, is moisture. Moisture equals no wrinkles. For the most part. I know like the sun and whatnot, I don't know. I like to think I know what I'm doing, you know? Go ahead and grab a little bit and put some on my forehead, which is normally where people get wrinkles. Woo! Last thing that I have been using is this Dermalogica Biolumin C eye serum. This is for my dark under eye circles. Comes in this cute little box. It's orange. Ooh, orange. I've been learning French, by the way, you guys, so I'm just gonna put this on. But I downloaded Duolingo, the app, to learn French. Ah! What was that all about? Also, I've been watching Emily in Paris, the 3rd season. Let me know if you guys have been watching that. And it re-inspired me because I took French in high school. I was really good at it because I was actually interested in it. And I've always loved French and I've always wanted to learn it. And you know, the language derives from Latin, so I understand a lot of things. We're gonna finish off with lip mask, Laneige. My lips have been extremely dry the past few days. This is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I was kind of all over the place, but that's basically my life. I get sick and then I want to do some self-care, skincare, and bring you guys along. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching if you stuck around. I appreciate it so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.